All right, so here's the solution. This is number 77 from the homework. Asks us to prove or verify this identity. So normally we would start with the side that looks more complex. Now this side looks this side looks a little more complex. It's got more stuff to it. And we probably can start from that side. There's a part of me that kind of wants to start from this side. To be honest, I think this is kind of one of those problems where if you were to ask me, I'd kind of want to work it from both sides, and there is kind of a proof technique that is valid when you work it from both sides. However, our department is very picky about how we do these proofs, so we need to work it from one side only. I'm sure you could make both sides work. I'm trying to just think of which one's the easiest. I don't know. Let's just start with this side. So, left-hand side, we have 2 tangent. Remember, on the test you have to write one side down exactly how you see it without any changes. And let's just work it a step at a time here. I love tangerine sections, so this is 2 tangent x. So I love tangerine, so this is secant squared x equals 2. Tangent is tangent is sine over cosine, and secant is 1 over cosine squared. I kind of did the fractions a little bit different here, but you can basically see on the top I have a 2 and then a times a tangent, and tangent is that times 1 over secant squared. And I'm supposed to show that that's equal to 2 sine x sine of 2x, sorry. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not really seeing this one. Oh, I think I made a mistake with my going quickly through my fractions. The secant squared is on the bottom. That gives me a cosine squared up top, actually. So I made a mistake there. 1 over the secant squared is cosine squared up top. I guess that's maybe why I should have just set it up a little bit differently and been a little bit more careful with my fractions. So one of the cosines cancel, so now I have 2 sine x cosine x. And if we recognize that, that is the right side of the double angle formula for the sine, so that is sine 2x. My proof is done. Okay? Could we have worked it from the other side? Yes. I think it might have been a little bit trickier, but it certainly could have been done.